beautiful February day. I'm back here. It looks like it's been snowing on the farm. I'm gonna go ahead and get me some chickens. But before I do so, I did already set up a place where I can put the chicken coops. But I want to get some feed first. So, let's see. Maybe I can just buy... I do like wheat. I know that. I can feed them wheat, I think. Now, let's check that real quick. Alright. So, I set up this area over here for my chicken coops. It'll be right here near my house. Hopefully they don't stink too much. Let's see here. So, chickens. Now I did add a mod. I believe this is the modded one, this giant one right here. That one's gonna hold quite a bit. I think it's 350 chickens. So I'm probably gonna do a couple of these. And then one or two of the smaller ones. It's like a starter to get them going. So yeah, wheat, barley, and something else. Alright, so before I buy the chickens, I should probably get some feed for them. Let's go ahead and set this up. Now, looks like that's where food's coming from. Where the food's going, maybe? I'm not too familiar with it. Maybe the feed goes in there. Alright. Well, either way, we'll get it set up. Now, let's go ahead and get two of these. One right here. And then I'll go ahead and put one more right on over here. And then I want a smaller one. Now, see, that's a chicken barn. Shit. I don't know the difference. I guess it's just a place to put the chickens anyway. Chicken coop. Alright. That one takes quite a bit. Maybe I'll just use this one. Probably turn it around. Let's take a look at this one. That one's gonna match my barn better. So let's go ahead and rotate it here. I don't know if I'm gonna want to get in and out of them barns. Maybe I should stick this on the other side here. Stick it behind here. That looks good. Put a little closer. Oh wait. Hang on, I'm blocking something. What's that? Paw. Okay, so I'm gonna block that. So let's go ahead and put it over here on the other side then. So I'm not blocking that stuff. Put it around like so. And we're gonna put it on this side right here. I can always delete it if I need to. Alright. Now I've got them chicken pens set up. Let's go take a look. Run on over here real fast. Alright. Now I need to get me some chickens. First, I want to do a couple things here. So, I do want to buy me another piece of property so I can start cutting down some wood. So I can keep making money until my crops start making money, because I can't even plant the soy yet. So, I am gonna buy this one, because I plan on buying this one next. So, let's start cutting down some wood so I can earn some money. Go ahead and buy that land right there. That's now my wood chopping land. So I'll probably get that set up at the end of the episode after I go get the chickens taken care of. Okay, so now I'm just gonna feed him some wheat for now. So it looks like the round bells are cheaper. Let's see if we got pallets. Oh, they got big old pallet here. So what I think I'll do is grab a trailer I can pour this in, and then I'll just go dump it to the chickens. So let's grab go ahead and get 4 of them for now. That's 4,000. Alright, I don't think I got a trailer for them yet. I'll run over here. Alright. Now, I think I'll just take my tractor. Because I can hook up a trailer, I think, to this truck as well. Maybe I'll just do that. Go ahead and hop in the truck. Alright, now to get me a trailer. Do not think I have one that will carry grain yet. So I got this one on sale. Let's carry everything. Let's take a look. Big body 750. Well, for some reason, it's more if you get that decal. Oh, thank you. Oh, looks like that's standard with this one. I don't know. Probably the one that's on sale. Because it looks like that. Alright, well, it's 19. Take a look here. Probably find a decent one for a little cheaper. About the same. There's 20. $35, so it's originally $35. And it's 25. Don't need anything too big, so that'll probably work. I'll just do a low ball hitch. Oh, sweet, I can add additional trailers. Nice. That does not look like silver. Doesn't look like they got a chrome. Kinda like that. Go ahead and go with that design for this one. This will be my green trailer. Oops. Green sucks. Just kidding. Alright. That's good enough for me. That's 38. Just because of the colors I added. Oh my goodness. And the white tires. Water tank drawer. The balcony. Water tank and drawer. I don't know if I need the water tank. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go for that. Cut that price down a little. for those ones. It's really just the color. Alright, well, I'll go with that design and I'll take it. Alright, and then there is one thing I wanted to get. It's just in miscellaneous. Now, on these ones, there we go. And get me some spray paint so I can start marking trees that I want to take down. So, we'll go ahead and take the red one. That's going to be a good one. And probably do orange and green. Alright. I'll fill this baby up. Go and fill these up, and I'll go buy some chickens and feed them. Looks like I done run out of damn money. I'm gonna have to borrow some money so I can buy some chickens. Alright, I did have all my debt paid. I'm gonna go and borrow some. I'll go down to 50,000 in debt. I'll head back. Actually, I want to get some more wheat. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah, why not? Alright. Fill this baby up as much as I can. Alright. Get them chickens. So I'm going to come over this first pen over here. let's go ahead and buy. We're just gonna buy some babies. Go ahead and select that. Let's see, I can buy 60. So I'm gonna buy 180. Alright, so there's 60. What the hell? Can't buy more? There we go. There's 120. I'll go ahead and do one more. That way I could fit in some roosters. I'm only going to buy about... let's do 10. Alright. Oh, look at all them chickens. Oh yeah. Hi, buddy. Hey. Cool. Alright, let's feed you sons of bitches. Don't think I'm close enough. I hate this kind of trailer. It's really hard to back up. That is not wanting to let me dump. There we go. I can see it filling up. Wow, how much are they gonna take? Looks like they're taking all of it. Oh, it's full. What the hell? Alright. Oh, I guess it went down by itself. Alright, well, shit, I'm in my field, aren't I? I did, I drove right into my field where I've been planting, so I wasn't paying attention, but at least this is filled up now. Look at that, 9,000 liters of food. Alright. Okay. got some baby chickens and some 6-month chickens. And some baby roosters. So I'm just gonna let those grow up and we'll see what happens. And what I'm gonna do eventually is probably move them over to these barns that I've gone ahead and set up. Let's see, I can fill the food up here. And it looks like they produce right there. And that's where I get them. I wonder. Pretty sure I can transfer them from one to another. If not, I'll just end up adding them in there eventually. But yeah, hopefully I didn't ruin too much of my field. I did destroy some of my crops. Damn. Oops. I hate that. Hit the wrong button. Alright, well, appreciate you joining me. That's it for this week. Next week, maybe I'll go down and chop down some trees and get the tree going. The tree chopping business going, then I can grow some tree crops over there and get some planting going once it starts warming up. Let's see, so soybeans I'll be planting in April, so in a couple months. And I might just take another little loan out so that I can buy this property and plow that whole area and just plant it all with soybeans. Make some extra money there. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Have a good night.